Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot Academy. First, navigate to the HubSpot Academy website. You'll find a wide range of free courses covering topics like inbound marketing, sales, and customer service. These courses are designed to help you develop valuable skills and earn certifications that can significantly boost your career. It's a fantastic resource for both beginners and experienced professionals looking to expand their knowledge. Once on the Academy site, use the intuitive search bar and filters to find courses relevant to your interests, whether it's content marketing or CRM basics. Each course is structured with engaging video lessons, helpful quizzes to test your understanding, and practical exercises to apply what you've learned. To earn a certification, you'll need to complete all modules and successfully pass a final exam, demonstrating your mastery of the subject. HubSpot Academy isn't just about individual courses. It also offers structured learning paths tailored for specific career goals, helping you progress systematically. Beyond courses, you'll find a wealth of free resources like templates, guides, and tools that you can immediately apply to your work. This platform is continuously updated, ensuring you always have access to the most current industry trends and best practices to keep your skills sharp. Beyond the courses, HubSpot Academy fosters a vibrant community where you can connect with fellow learners and industry experts, sharing insights and asking questions. There are also dedicated support forums available to help you with any challenges you might encounter during your learning journey, promoting a collaborative environment. And for those looking to deepen their understanding of personal finance, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book, The Simple Path to Wealth, as well as other great deals to help you on your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.